Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change birthday on Bigo Live. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change birthday on Bigo Live. Maybe because when you created your account, you accidentally added the wrong birthday of yours and now you want to correct it. Or maybe you think that the birthday written here should be changed for any reason of yours. So whatever the reason it could be for you, in this video I'll show you how easily you could change your birthday on Bigo Live. Or also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Bigo Live, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Bigo Live to open the app. There you can see this is the interface of the app. This is how the Bigo Live app looks. We have a lot of content creators or live streams on our home screen. Other than that, we have some options at the top and some options at the bottom as well. So from all these options and content, we have to click onto this option, which is your profile icon and me option. So for that, you just have to simply click on it and then you will land into this page. First, you will read the title of me, and there you will find your personal information like your name, profile, image, and different stuff. So, from all these options, what you have to do here is that you have to click on this profile icon. You just have to simply tap on it, and then you will get here. Again, you will find information related to your account and personal stuff. Now what you have to do here is that you just have to simply click onto this option, which is in the top right side of the screen, which is an icon of the pencil, or you could say pen. You just have to simply tap onto that option so we could get into it and can change our birthday. So once I tapped on it, first you will read the title of edit. That means here we can edit or change our personal information like our birthday and different stuff. So now what you have to do is that you just have to simply scroll down, and there you will see other things or options as well. Once you get here, there you will see we have this option which says birthday, and along with that the current or existing birthday that we have selected appearing. So if you want to change it, first you just have to simply tap onto that option and then you will get into it. And now what you have to do is that you have to change your birthday. First, you have to change the month in which you were born. There are 12 months available. You can choose any one of these. After that, you have to select the date on which you were born. And once you have selected, now it's time to select the year in which you were born. You can choose your real date of birth or any date of birth of your choice. Make sure you are more than 18 plus, because if you go less than 18, there will be restrictions. Once you're done, just simply click on save. And after that, your new birthday will be uploaded on Bigo Live. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change your birthday on Bigo Life. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.